Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok cover after posting in just a few simple steps. If you're searching to change the TikTok video thumbnail, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To change the TikTok cover after posting, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile page. Scroll down and open the video from which you want to change the thumbnail. Now, on the right side of the screen, you will see different options. From the right side, find and tap on the three dots. A pop-up appears with various options. Swipe left on the options at the bottom and tap on Edit Post. A new screen appears. From here, you can edit the caption and thumbnail of your video. Remember that you can only change or edit the video cover within 7 days of posting your video. After 7 days, the edit option will no longer be available. Just tap on the Edit Cover button below your current thumbnail. Now, a new screen appears where you can change the cover from the video or upload a new one from your device. To upload from your device gallery, tap on the Upload button and select one from your gallery. Once you have selected the new cover picture, tap on Save. Lastly, edit the caption if necessary and tap the Save button. Now your video will appear with the newly selected cover image.